In this video, we are going to see a find-email alternative that is cheaper and easier to use. Here we can see on Find-Email pricing page that for $99 per month, you get up to 5,000 contacts per month, which is basically one email, or to get one phone number, you need 10 credits. The alternative is Link Finder AI, and we go on the pricing page for Link Finder AI. Here we can see that for $89 per month, we get up to 20,000 credits. You enter LinkedIn profile URL as the input data and select the data type such as company name, company domain, email address, or LinkedIn company URL. You enter a LinkedIn profile URL as the input data to find lead information. Click on Enrich Data to get the lead's email address from the LinkedIn link. Now we switch from email address to phone number in the output data selection. You fill the output data field to specify phone number as the desired output. Click on Enrich Data to find the lead phone number from the LinkedIn profile URL. Here we have the lead's email address and phone number found by Link Finder AI. You can process multiple items by uploading a CSV file containing your leads for bulk enrichment. We also have the API Access section to use Link Finder AI programmatically. You can view the API documentation to understand how to integrate the service. Here you find the API to find a person's professional email address from their LinkedIn profile URL. This API call uses LinkedIn profile to email lookup for lead enrichment. You can also find a person's phone number from their LinkedIn profile URL using the API.